Summertime Blast! If you're ready for some outrageous fun, say Summertime Blast!
Summertime Blast!
Today we are going to learn about the virtue of initiative. If you don't know what initiative is, that's okay. We'll have the Summertime Blast captains tell you all about it. Did you see that light? I gotta get the Summertime Blast captains to tell me what it is. Where are they?
Ooh, great job, you guys. Shouldn't even see us. This is going to be an awesome summer. And building a secret Summertime Blast clubhouse, that is what I call a great initiative. Way to go, guys. Ooh. Did you know that a human being during her life on Earth swallows approximately 8 spiders in her sleep?
Wow.
Come on, you guys. We built this secret summertime blast clubhouse. We would have a place to have a mission to our mission. We need to get this word about Jesus. Brainy, have you thought of anything yet?
Just 1 minute. There, almost ready. I made this contraption to give secret picture messages each day. It is approximately 3,400 chronobytes and has a motor capacity of 1 billion megagigs. That means every day it has the potential to vectorize and project a highly developed pictographic image.
Okay, say it again. What?
Each day it will give us a secret scripture message in picture code. It's a scripture pictovectorizer.
Oh, wow. Great initiative, Brainy. Everyone will want to read the scripture when they have a scripture pictovectorizer. Or they'll think about Jesus reading the scripture when we give them a copy of the picture vectorized scripture.
Yeah, I get it. They'll want to figure out what the picture code says.
You shall love your neighbor as yourself. Did you know that each year over 1 million earthquakes occur somewhere in the world?
I didn't know that. What's that?
It's my secret contraption, Mobile K4J4. The newest Summertime Blast Clubhouse contraption is unveiled. Blast off!
Many years ago in England, the Catholic faith was outlawed and Catholic priests were not allowed into the country. But Father Edmund Campion and Father Robert Parsons were busy with a secret plan.
Well, Father Robert, we better hurry up and get into our disguises. The guards won't let us into the country to do our mission if they suspect we are 2 Catholic priests. And the English people really need our help. They haven't been allowed to go to Mass or receive the sacraments for several months now, and we can't let them down.
All right, they'll never recognize me in this. How do I look?
Yes. I think you've got something there. Here, put this on.
Okay.
I'll be the ship's chef, and you can be my assistant.
All right.
Din Din, come and get it.
I think I got a bit of star attack stuck in the guzzle. Don't worry, mate. I'll pound it out of you.
Just who'd like to be doing that to that priest if we ever catch him aboard our deck?
The men suspect the Catholics now. 2 Catholic priests aboard. Sure, and men will pound the living daylights out of them if they catch them sneaking back to England.
Hey, land ahoy! 'Tis merry England at last.
Father Edmund and Father Robert did it! Once again, they found a clever new way to bring Jesus in the Eucharist into England at a time long ago when the rulers did not welcome them. The disguises worked. Now the people of England could receive Jesus once again. The priest secretly celebrated Mass for the people who long to receive Jesus in the Holy Communion. There are the clubhouse captains. Come on, everybody, let's say a prayer. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, amen.
Dear Jesus, thank you for our time in the summertime last clubhouse. Fill us with your love throughout this day. When we were with friends, family, or are alone, help us remember to love you, the Holy Eucharist. You're always watching for our prayers within your tabernacle home. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Amen!
Bye! Hope you had fun at the Summertime Blast Clubhouse. Don't forget to use your clubhouse sign to build your Summertime Blast Clubhouse at home and practice initiative. Pray to Jesus in the Eucharist and come up with good ideas to share Jesus' love in the world.